APA PsycINFO provides the option to search by a test and measure field. If you want to find publications that use assessment tools, scales, or any other tests within the research, you can input your keywords into the search box and then from the drop-down menu, select Test and Measure. If you want to search for articles about ADHD that uses assessment tools, but you aren't looking for any specific tests, you can put an asterisk in the search box and select Test and Measures. All the results should use some type of assessment, whether or not is directly related to ADHD. Let's take a look at this article. Selecting this article, we can locate the Test and Measure section under the full record, and we can see all the highlighted assessment tools or tests or measures that were used for this research. Searching can also be done using keywords or specific titles of an assessment tool. This search will include the keywords ADHD or attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity or attention deficit disorder, and Test and Measures is selected from the dropdown. Clicking Search generates over 6,000 results. Taking a look at the results and going to the full record, Test and Measure section, we see the applicable tests that are used in this research include attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity rating scale 4, attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity impact module child impact scale, and attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity impact module family impact scale. Looking at a different publication, I can see that some of these tests include a DOI for the tests listed. Clicking on those links will open a new tab or window in order to access the description in PsycTest. It may or may not provide access to the full text of the assessment tool. Going back to PsycINFO, there is a way to try to search for publications that include access to the assessment tools used. If full text access is needed and not available through other means such as PsycTests, there are ways to try to access them through PsycINFO by finding appended tests and measures. It's important to keep in mind that assessment tools typically have copyright protections, but they may also have various or differing usage permissions. Many assessment tools do have permission for use for educational purposes as well as research. You will need to make sure to follow the appropriate usage stipulation if you use any of these assessment tools within your own research or publications. To find results with appended assessment tools, add the term appended to the search. In this example, the results include 57 publications. The results include the book ADHD in Adults, A Practical Guide to Evaluation and Management. Viewing the full record details, numerous assessment tools were used in this book, and several of them indicate the tool is appended within the publication. Selecting the Find It at USC will open the catalog record for the ebook. Select the link to access the full text. For this book, I could download the book as a PDF or an EPUB. I can also check the table of contents to see if it's evident where the assessment tools may be located. In this case, I know the assessment tools are located in the back matter section or the appendix of this book. So I'm just going to download this chapter of the PDF. Once the PDF is loaded, I see it also has a table of contents. I can see a number of the assessment tools are available here, including Adult ADHD Diagnosis Checklist, an ADHD Differential Diagnosis and Cognitive Comorbidity Inventory, an Adult Symptoms and Role Impairment Inventory. Scrolling to those pages, I can now access the assessment tool.